I got my Temu dash cam today. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what's in the box and hook it up. All of this was around $20 shipped. Here's the main camera. It says 1080p on it. And it also comes with the in-cabin camera. Some wires, the charger. These sticky things for mounting are better than the suction cup ones because those fall off in direct sunlight. The inside facing camera looks like that. You do have to attach it to the main camera like this and plug it in with the wire. It attaches with that slot to the main camera body. So I'm gonna plug it into the 12-volt power outlet here. This is the first time I'm powering on this camera. So let's see what it looks like. It has some settings over here for the time and date. This is the timestamp on the video. One thing with all these budget dash cams, get a good quality SD card. Do not depend on the ones they supply because sometimes it will not record or it will not override, and the last thing you want is to go to your camera after an incident and see the image is not there. Here's what the image on the camera screen looks like. It's very clear, and you can see my red cell phone there on the inward facing camera. And here it is hooked up. It's small enough that it can fit behind the rear view mirror. And that's what it looks like from the front. Here is what the image from the main camera looks like at night in a well-lit parking lot. So you could still read the license plates on those cars. And here's what it looks like in the daytime, just driving around. I'm gonna show you how the image on this camera looks like in different type of conditions. So right now I'm gonna turn directly into the sunlight. So I'm just gonna go for a drive here so you can see the quality of the image for yourself and decide if this camera is good for you or not. For me, I think I don't really need more quality than that in the daytime, at least, because one thing with when it comes to comparing a budget camera with the top quality cameras is when you have low light conditions like at night. But we'll get to that in a bit. Right now I'll just show you what it looks like driving around in the daytime here. And here's what it looks like at night. There are two things that you will see at night. One, in this kind of a condition, when you have enough light outside, you will get colors. And the quality is good. I can read the license plate of the car in front of me. The other condition is when you have low light outside and the infrared lights come on and the image will become more black and white or grayish. Like right here, the image will turn grayish. The inward facing camera on all these budget cams is kind of useless some of the times when it's dark. Unless you turn up the brightness on your smartphone or you're in a well-lit parking lot, you're not going to see much. But if that's really important to you, like you use your car for Uber or something like that, just go for an N2 Pro. This is the Amazon dashcam. So it felt like it's better put together, but it comes with that suction cup thing, which is really not good for two reasons. Number one, in the sun, it's gonna fall off. Number two, it takes up more room, so it will extend downwards a few more inches, making its placement on the windshield not as clean. So this just feels a bit more solid because it doesn't come in two pieces like the other one. And this particular one is a 3-channel, so they also gave me for $70 a third camera with a long enough wire to reach all the way to the back window facing backwards. It also came with the panel pry tool. The other one did not come with a panel pry tool. So not bad. It is a 3-channel camera, but it was more than 3 times the price of the Temu dashcam. So I'm gonna install this one now and give this one a try. It has the suction cup thingy. It does take up more space and it's less sticky in the sunlight. But as you can see, it's a bit harder to find the perfect spot on it because it hangs lower down than the other one. So here's what the Amazon dashcam looks like at night. I would say it's a better video quality than the Temu one. There's more detail, but all these streaks coming out of every light source has streaks coming out of it. So this kind of makes it useless, because if there's a light next to a street name sign, or if there's a light next to a license plate, most of the time you're not going to be able to read those things because of the streaks coming out of the light sources. And this is not a defective camera. I actually exchanged this for another one. I sent it back, they sent me a replacement, and it's the exact same thing. In the daytime, the Amazon and the Temu dashcams are identical actually. So I ended up returning the Amazon dashcam and I ended up keeping the Temu dashcam, because the Temu dashcam is a third of the price, and in the daytime the video quality is the same. At night the video quality is worse than the Amazon one, but I feel like it's more usable. They're both not perfect at night, they both have flaws, but the Temu one, I could actually depend on it because I can at least read the license plate numbers and the street nameplates more often than the Amazon one. If you were not limited to a tight budget and you wanted a 2-channel dashcam, I would suggest the N2 Pro, which is what this footage you're seeing right now was recorded on. It's a high quality item, it's durable. We've had it for 4.5 years now. The video quality on it is great at night, in the daytime, both in and out of the car. The brand is Van-True and the model is the N2 Pro, and you really can't go wrong with that brand. The Temu and the cheaper Amazon dashcam, to be honest, they feel kind of cheap. They don't feel as sturdy or solid, and I don't really expect them to last years like the Van-True camera has lasted with us. I mean, so far I've been using the Temu dashcam for months. So far so good, but time will tell how long it will last. That's all, and hope this video was helpful to make your decision regarding buying a dashcam. Bye.